Hi, this is Chris, and today I'd like to show you how to work efficiently with Word if you have a very big Word file and you are referring to different pages of it. So I have an example over here of a file that has 9 pages. Let's imagine ourselves that we want to see the first page, but also at the same time the last page of this document. So one of the ways is to go to View and then split the windows, and then I can scroll over here to the bottom. But that's very inconvenient because I really see a very small part of it. So I remove the split and I will show you a different method to see the file. So you go to File and would like to open a copy of it, and I already have two same files. So I have a first page, then I have a document tree, because as you know, Windows doesn't allow to have at the same time two exactly same files with the same name open it. So that's why it's called document tree, that you can also save. But I can just use it as a reference if I wanted to see what is happening on the last page, and then quickly switch to the page number 1. So thank you for your attention. If that was useful, click the like button. It's a good information for me. Subscribe if you wish, and I wish you a great day.